Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2019 Ford Transit Connect short wheelbase model in a lovely silver. This one has 56,000 miles, and I'll just take you around the van. This is a bit different to some of the other Connects we have on the site because it does have double locking on the back doors. So as you can see at the moment, they are locked, so we do just open them up. So there we go. And inside, you can see it's partly ply line, partly not. We do have interior lighting inside and also cargo rings for any load you maybe want to carry as well. Same situation around the back as well with the locking. And now if I just take you into the driver's seat, I can show you some of the other conveniences inside of this Connect. Let me just pop the key in the ignition there. Okay, so first of all, this does have cruise control on this little rod down here. All the controls are there. It does also have voice assist as well if you'd need that, along with air conditioning. However, the air conditioning in this Connect is also a bit different as well. So, for example, right now I've got it so the passenger seat is set to almost Arctic temperatures, while I'm here chilling in quite a nice, manageable desert with the heat. This is 6-geared. And a reverse gear, of course, 12-volt USB down here, radio, and also if I pop the vehicle into reverse, we do get a diagram pop up as well.